You tell me you're scared. You tell me you're weak.
Hey guys, long time no chat, long time no vlog. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new, I'm Nikki. Today's video is going to be kind of a little end of summer vlog, but also I wanted to chat with you guys because I'm starting 75 hard, or I've started it. It's day 8 and I am heading to the beach today with my mom, and it's gonna be such a fun day. But like, we don't want to get there super early because it is like August 23rd, so it's not like it's super hot first thing in the morning. So we're still like packing up, making sandwiches. I woke up and I did my first workout of the day, which was just a little ride on the elliptical, and I had some coffee. I did my journaling, took my supplements. I've been like really pumped about this challenge. It's been so fun. So yeah, I'll get into that later, and like maybe I could make a whole video on it if you guys are like interested in that. But I'm already wearing my swimsuit and like a little tank and a skirt for a cover up. But I want to show you guys what's in my beach bag before we head out, and then I'll obviously vlog the whole rest of the day. I have very much slacked on vlogging this summer, but I've been obsessed with TikTok. So if you guys want to follow me on TikTok, feel free to do so. Also, I got hair extensions. Duh. But anyways, here is my little beach bag. It's from Monday Swim. I have 2 different hair clips in here. This one, it looks like Dinky. It's so cute. I just got it at TJ Maxx, and this one's also from Monday, which this one's like bigger. I used to clip up my whole hair, and this one is teeny, and I used to clip just like my front little pieces, like what I'm about to do right now. Anyways, I have my digital camera, which I used to take photos. This is not my vlogging camera, which is the one that I'm obviously filming on right now. This little hat, I've actually never worn it. It's really cute though. It's also from Monday. This is not sponsored, by the way. I just really love the brand. Oh, shizzle. My little Lululemon like pouch thingy. It's just very easy, and like if I'm gonna go get a coffee or like get ice cream with my mom after the beach or whatever, like it's just easy to take this and not to take my whole beach bag. Just like a throwover kind of button down shirt. This one's really cute. I think it's from Showpo. And it's just like a really big oversized kind of like shirt like this. The book I'm reading, Malibu Rising, and I have this little bookmark that has Dinky on it. Sunglasses, they're in a Celine case, but these are my Ray-Bans. I just like to have these for the beach. I feel like they're summery. These are so dirty, oh my god. And then I have this little bag, which is like waterproof and like everything proof on the inside. I have this sunscreen, which is from Vacation. It's their like whipped sunscreen, which is really exciting to try. I've never tried it before. This is a tried and true. I really like this sunscreen. It's cruelty-free, water resistant. It's free of all those oxy blah blah blahs from the brand Alba. This is a really good chapstick. It's from, what is this brand called? Evolve Together. I used to live in the same building as the owner of this company in LA, and they gave me a bunch of stuff and I really like it. This Sun Bum hair lightener I used to use. I don't really use it anymore just because I got my hair professionally done and I don't want to like screw with it. A tampon and Bali Body, what's it called? Oil, but like in a little baggie because that shit be leaking. And then what else? Just my little white and blue beach towel. And then I'm of course bringing my green Stanley, and I'm about to throw a watermelon element in there. But yeah, 75 hard has honestly been so chill, you guys. It's day 8 today, like I said. So it hasn't been like, oh my god, I've been on it for that long. I'm very much using it as a good reset. Like, I think I haven't given myself a true discipline challenge in a very long time, and I've taken the last, like, I mean, if you guys are familiar with my story on here, you know that like I went through this whole like fitness weight loss journey type thing during COVID, and it very much spiraled and like got very unhealthy towards the end. And I very much over the last, I would say 2.5 years, have really let myself fully recover and just be like so normal and relaxed and almost like unhinged at some points, which no regrets. I'm so happy I did that because I just went and got all my hormones tested with a functional medicine doctor, And she said that for a woman of childbearing years, all my female reproductive hormones are exactly where they need to be. And she said that I'm not pre-diabetic, I don't have PCOS, I don't have any insulin problems, I don't have any thyroid issues, like everything is good except I have high iron for some reason, which she was like, it's not an immediate problem right now, like just, you know, be on the lookout for it if you have any supplements, blah, blah. Anyways, long story short, that my health was such a scary topic for me the last, I would say, 3 years, ever since my hormones got all out of whack and I lost my period and I was just super stressed mentally and physically. I was doing so much that like I never want to go back to that place. So going into this challenge, I'm like so excited and like excited to challenge myself in a way and be disciplined with certain aspects of my life, but I'm also really excited to see how I can do this in like the healthiest way possible. And although like it is more of an extreme challenge, I'm not really doing it in an extreme way. Like my indoor workout since I've been on my period this last week has been walking. Like I've just literally been walking on the treadmill. My outdoor workout has been walking. Like I said I wanted to do one strength workout a day. I'm not going to be able to do it every single day, and I just know that for myself. And I've been so lax, and also without drinking, I've definitely been just eating more, which is also great. Like it's fine, you have to like follow a diet, but my diet is just a high protein diet. So I've just been eating a lot of really good, yummy, healthy food, and I've just been feeling really great and strong and happy. And yeah, just feeling good. So it's August, it's almost 1 year away from the wedding and a few weeks away from fall. So I'm really soaking in the rest of the summer, but so far like New England summer has just been everything I've wanted it to be and more. Like I'm just so happy right now. It's just not gonna, it's so scary to say, but like it's been like one of the best summers of my life, and I feel like a kid again. It's funny, like being back home feels like one big long vacation, but also like real life because we're planning a wedding and buying a house. So there's been definitely ups and downs, but it's been like I am transported back to my childhood and I'm like a kid again. Anyways, I'm gonna go eat some cottage cheese for breakfast with a banana and honey. It's been like my food fixation. And then I'm gonna make myself a turkey wrap with a bunch of veggies, honey mustard. I'm packing these pickle chips, and I'm gonna pack sweet potato chips. The pickle chips are like just little snacking pickles. Potato chips are actual chips. Yeah, so that's that. We're probably gonna stop at Dunkin' right before we get to the beach. Like I said, it's not that cold in the morning, or it's not that hot in the morning. It's kind of like chillier right now. It's like 65, but it's gonna be like almost 80 today during the day, which is gonna be like perfect beach weather, like not too hot. So I'm super excited, but yeah. Amazing.
But I know you're stronger than what you think. I know it's hard. Yeah, I know it's rough, but we'll make it through. And I'll back you up. Wherever you're going, I'm going to. I'll follow you through the black and the blue. Whatever the mountain, we'll climb to the next. Honey, I'm with you through life and to death. You're afraid. I wish you could see that. I think you're brave. And if
hey you guys, it's the next day. It is a very rainy day outside. I got my first pumpkin cream cold brew of the season, and I wanted to just sit here and have a little car chat with you guys. Before I go in, honestly, I'm going to Frank's house, but it is so freaking rainy out. I wanted to wrap up the vlog and chat with you guys about my plan going into 75 hard, how I'm feeling so far. It's day 9. I'm feeling amazing. My period's finally gone, so I've been able to do strength training workouts again, and I feel so good. I'm so excited to like really do this challenge. But even in the meantime, when I've had my period, I've still been doing like 15K steps a day just because I've been doing like really nice long walks. It's really been helping me with my cramps, honestly. I found that like walking is my secret hack. Like it helps me with my mental health because I get a little like crazy on my period, but it also helps me with my bloating and my cramps and my digestion, because I don't know if this is like everybody's like this, but my digestion is so weird when I'm on my period. Like I feel like I can't digest anything. It's probably just because you're like bloated, but yeah, I've been feeling good the last couple days. Had such a good beach day, had so much fun. And yeah, I guess like I don't want to say I'm doing 75 soft because I'm not. Like I am doing the reading, I'm doing the indoor and outdoor workout, I'm doing the gallon of water. I've been following a diet. My diet is high protein and that's basically it. And I've been trying to just like be mindful of what I'm eating, but still allowing myself to have the foods that I love. Like I don't want to be restrictive, especially because I'm completely cutting out alcohol for the full 75 days. And I feel like, to be honest with you guys, that's like one of my biggest problems. Not to say like I have a problem. It's not even remotely that. It's just like going out and social drinking with friends. The cocktails and like one glass of wine here and like a few cocktails there, like that adds up. And like there's always something going on. There's always a wedding or a birthday party or an event or a dinner with a girlfriend I haven't seen in a while, or I'm traveling, or I'm doing this, or I'm doing that, or like there's always something, you know. There's always an excuse to be social. There's always an excuse to go out. There's always an excuse to have a few drinks, or it's Saturday and you're having some Trulies by the pool or High Noons, whatever. The drinking just makes me bloated. That's the biggest thing that like really sucks about it. I know it's excess, just like sugar and just like poison that I don't need in my body all the time. And I know it's just making me feel puffy and bloated and retain water. Like I put on a pair of pants this morning that a month ago I was wearing out to dinner and I had to lay down to zip them, and today they just went up. Like I was just standing up and they just went up and I had room. Like that is just literally, and it's been a month. Like all it is water retention, and I'm sure like, you know, maybe I've toned up like a little bit over the course of a month, but I haven't done anything drastic. Like I'm still eating completely normal. I'm still, you know, doing basically the same workouts, just like a little bit more like strict in terms of like I'm doing it every single day, but most of the days the past week I've just been walking. So like I'm not doing anything crazy. I'm not doing HIIT workouts. I'm not running. I'm not going to crazy classes. Like I'm not lifting super heavy weight. Like I'm not doing anything absolutely out of the ordinary for it to be such a drastic difference. Not that it's a drastic, but it's just like I notice it. I don't know if anybody else would notice it, but I notice it in myself that I'm starting to feel less bloated and I'm starting to feel less puffy, which I think is really great. The water, again, like I don't feel like there's that much that's different. Reading 10 pages of a book, I kind of fell off from reading. There was a point in time a couple months ago, even like during the winter and fall time, where I was really on top of my reading and I was reading every single morning. It was part of my routine. Like I loved it. And then I kind of fell out of reading, and that's been really fun to like get back into it. And it's kind of made me want to get a Kindle, and it's made me want to like just really be consistent with reading. And like it's just been fun, genuinely. Like I've been loving to read a book. I don't know, there's something about this challenge that's making me like, I don't know, more in touch with my inner child. Like I feel like it's forcing me to do wholesome activities and actually do activities versus like go out to eat or like go to the bar with your friends or like go to some event and just, you know, drink socially, like, and party basically. Like it's forcing me to do other things, which I'm so grateful for, and I've been having so much fun. There's only like a few weeks left of summer, but I want to really live out like these last couple weeks of summer to their absolute fullest, and I'm enjoying my first New England summer so much. Like I've been having so much fun. Frankie and I are actually going out to dinner to one of our favorite places tonight, and it's like it's a nicer restaurant for like the area that we're in, and it's just absolutely delicious. The food there is so good. The drinks are honestly really good there too, but we won't be having any of those, which has been great. Like I honestly feel really good, and I'm so curious to see. I've done this multiple times where I haven't drank for like months at a time, and I sound like I'm like a binge drinker. Like I really, you know, am only like a social drinker, but I'm telling you, it adds up. And I'm somebody that's so sensitive where, you know, people get like dried up from alcohol and the next day they feel like snatched. Not me. I literally wake up and I look like a balloon. Like my face is puffy, my stomach is puffy, everything I eat, like all water, I literally hold on to it and retain it all day, and it won't go away for like 2 days. So yeah, I'm really affected by it. So it's shocking that I still indulge even with that like aspect of it. But yeah, I mean, I'm 27 years old. Like, I get hangovers like it's nobody's business. I think that aspect has been really good for me so far. It's literally been, what, 9 days? Like, it's not like it's been a month even, but I'm super excited. I think it'll be good. Again, like, I'm very easily peer pressured. I'm somebody that, like, if there's an event or something going on, or, you know, it's just Saturday night and your friends want to go do something, I'm like, YOLO, do it for the plot. Like, it'll be fun. And this has made me YOLO in a different way, like kind of just like doing other things that I find fun and remembering the other activities that I genuinely enjoy. Also, I want to mention I got this app. This is 100% I'm paying for this with my own money. Like, this has nothing to do with, like, nobody's sponsoring me or anything like that. But there's this app called Habits, and basically you customize your own habits, so you can choose like the ones for 75 hard, because I know there's a specific app for 75 hard, but I didn't really like it. So this one you can like choose, I hope you can see this. You can choose which, like, what you want to write and put like a different emoji, put a color. I put 8 hours of sleep, journal, 10K steps. 10K steps is my like outdoor workout is what I consider. 3 hydro flasks a day, which is basically a gallon. My supplements, eat a high protein diet, strength workout, which is just my indoor workout, but I put strength. Some days it's just a walk, and then read 10 pages. And that's been really, really great. I've been loving this app. It also like keeps you on track of how many days you've done, versus like otherwise I would think I would just forget, to be completely honest, how many like days I've done already. So yeah, it's been really cool. I don't feel restricted at all. I don't know, I've been feeling really confident the last like 2 days, which I haven't been feeling that in a long time. Like, I kind of felt just like blah. And I got a package from a brand I'm supposed to shoot a campaign for, like an end of summer kind of like swimsuits and really sexy, fun, like island vibe dresses. And I tried everything on, and I got everything in a small and medium, and I just felt like, I was like, oh no, like I don't think it's gonna fit me, blah, blah. There was like limited sizing, so I couldn't pick like everything that I needed, or everything that I wanted in the size that I wanted. And I was like so nervous that things weren't gonna fit, and everything fit like a glove. Honestly, I was so shocked, and like I'm so excited. I felt so confident trying on those pieces today, and I'm gonna go shoot them at the beach with a girlfriend tomorrow and have like a fun little girly end of summer beach day. So yeah, that's basically it. I've been having such a classic fun New England summer. I've been slacking on the vlogs, but guys, follow me on Instagram and TikTok. You will see all of the content. Also, I've been loving the hair extensions. They're so raggedy. This is over 1 week of unwashed hair, so that's why they're so raggedy, but normally they look cute. But yeah, I love you guys. I'll try to maybe end off the vlog in the car when I'm all ready and dressed up for dinner. But if I don't, then I love you, and I'll see you.
I wish you could see